What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, we back with another video. We're about to dive into some more Tonic content. This is gonna be a quick update video, short video, just covering the project. Y'all already know how I am, man. I gotta cover the project. I gotta cover Tonic, such a banger project. I have to, and so yeah, I'm just gonna be winging it like I always do in these videos. I'll be real with y'all. I apologize for the noises in the background, neighbors, dogs, construction work in the area, all kinds of stuff, man. But this is the time I got to get my videos out. I'm gonna be doing my best to be more consistent with uploading, even if I sometimes just gotta swing in one quick short video for the day. I'm gonna do my best to do so, right? Tonic right now up just a tad percent. The market right now is in a huge disarray. Everything has been like dumping. It's not, this move right here from Tonic that we're seeing, it's not just Tonic, it's a bunch of other projects, bunch of alts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, because of the SEC and all of the bull crap that they're trying to bring to bring to the crypto market, claiming projects like Sol, Cardano, Matic are securities when they're clearly not. Absolutely just dishing out so many attacks to the space, right? Because we already know they're trying to keep us poor, man. They don't want to see us become financially free, because once we do, we're harder to control, right? We're harder to control the more people that are financially free. So they're gonna do everything in their chance, in their power, to try to keep the foot on the crypto space and not let us send to absolute crazy levels, right? But they won't win, guys. They will not win. They'll clearly lose. It's clear as day, guys. You just have to be patient. Keep stacking your bags, keep loading your bags, DCA into these types of times. This is when you buy the blood, buy the fear, and then you get rewarded for it in the future, right? So yeah, Tonic's chart to me looking cool to me, man. Looking cool to me. Again, we pull up the Chronos chart and take a look at even the 1 day, the 7 day, basically the same thing on the 1 day and 7 day, right? Look at this, man. Basically the same thing as the Crow chart. So yeah, Crow's making a nice little move up. So guess what Tonic is doing? Following behind Big Brother or its dad. I guess it's dad, because it is on the Chronos chain, right? So so it's following behind its dad. And yeah, man, so it's just patience, guys. It's just patience. Again, apologies for the noise in the background. Like I said, this is just gonna be a quick video so I could get a video out. And what better project to cover than Tonic, man? I love the project, super bullish on the project. Even $1,000 invested, $500 invested here could be great gains in the future, guys. Sitting at $34 million in market cap. Project could potentially go to billions of market cap from here. You just never know. If Pepe out of nowhere, y'all already saw Pepe out of nowhere went to $1.7 billion in 2 weeks. It just goes to show that cryptos can absolutely just do crazy things that people think are impossible, right? Cryptos can do crazy runs that people think, oh no, that's not possible. Here's a case study here. Pepe is a case study that they can do stuff like that, guys. Potential exchange listings for Tonic. I can't wait to see them. Recently saw Vino got a Gate.io listing, or a potential Gate.io listing is on the way for Vino. So that's gonna be great, great for Vino, but also it implies that Tonic could get those type of listings as well, even if it's lower tier exchanges, just to start. These things can happen for a project like Tonic, guys. And yeah, man, pretty much straightforward, following the Crow chart, guys, right there. People are bearish right now, but Davo, next crypto bounce is gonna be huge for those of you who are brave enough to ride out this bearish storm. Shout out to Davo, crypto cowboy. About time for another bag. Love these prices. This is what you gotta do, man. Be like crypto cowboy, Davo. Buy the fear, guys. Shout out to Shango right here with a tweet. Tonic is currently in the process of building the phase 4 features and getting them audited. Also, Tectonic continues to actively work on engaging with Chronos partners to list new tokens, example Vino, finance, onboarding new collections for NFT staking, endless potential, and seeking new ways to use for users to be rewarded. Shout out to Shango for the nice little info right there, man. They got the Tectonic roadmap that is being built and fleshed out. Repay with collateral swap, long short strategy, other features in review. Long short strategy is one of the best use cases of a money market protocol. For example, if a user is bullish on a token, he can open a long position. In contrast, open a short position on token B means that he believes the price of the asset will fall. So basically right here, you know, they plan to implement some type of leverage to the ecosystem. In the past, if you wanted to obtain leverage through borrowing, it would be time consuming and capital inefficient. You would have to go to a lending protocol like Tectonic, borrow an asset against your collateral, go to a DEX like VVS, swap the borrowed asset for collateral, then go back to Tonic and borrow again to leverage. This one-click long short strategy will make this process easier, right? So you're gonna be able to leverage borrowing and lending on the Tonic ecosystem to have even like a similar function to DeFi trading, which is a great use case that is being fleshed out right there, guys. And you know, from the leverage that is happening, the long short strategy, from that Tonic team could generate revenue with people that are you know, lending and borrowing using the leverage you know, strategy, right? They'll be earning revenue from that, and then that revenue can help to build the Tonic ecosystem even more. Buybacks, burns, you never know, man. You can't rule that out. This one-click long short strategy will make this process easier. Users will be able to earn yield and Tonic rewards in addition to profit from a price decline. So yeah, guys, partnerships, other features in review. You know, you guys could go through the whole thing. This was out for a bit already, but yeah, it's always good to go back and see and read what the team is aiming to build and focus on, guys. It's always great to do that. Tonic again remains bullish in my eyes. You know, if you don't have any Tonic, you're checking out my channel. If you don't have any Tonic, maybe do some research on it, because it is a good altcoin in my opinion. DeFi protocol like you know, Lido, right? DeFi protocols, and you see what some of these DeFi protocols have done, right? They go to billions of market cap. Top DeFi protocol on Chronos chain. Crow sees a ton of success. I really do think Tonic sees a ton of success as well, because Crypto.com, one of the biggest exchanges with not much issues like other exchanges, right? That we see, you know, like with Binance and stuff like that. Not much controversy and drama around Crypto.com, right? So yeah, guys, Tonic fam, Crow fam, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. I also started a Patreon, guys. $10 a month to join my private Discord, where you get access to early exclusive content. We could engage. You get one-on-one talks with me, like one of my conviction plays. And for the crypto elite tier, you get access to my buy alerts and sell alerts, guys. So if you are interested, feel free to check that out. Again, Tonic very bullish, Crow very bullish, and you know, just a quick update video. Again, like I said, guys, nothing too deep in this one. I just didn't have much time today, and I really wanted to get a video out for you guys. So yeah, man, thanks so much for the support. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.